look what we have under the tree. The beautiful 25 days of crystal energy from Mindful Souls. I just received this today. I have not opened it up yet. So we're going to have an unboxing. It slides out. There's the box. And so this part of the box has all the little windows with the crystals. And then here are all the crystals, so you will see what you'll get. But will you know what day you're getting it on? No. All right. All right, opening door number 1. It's lovely, a little heart. So beautiful. And of course, I'm not going to open all 25 days, but this will show you. This is beautiful. This is small enough somebody could carry it in their pocket or wallet or phone case or bag or whatever. This is absolutely a beautiful little crystal. And yes, I kind of struggled a little bit getting the door open, so that's okay. This is a really beautiful gift, and this is available from Mindful Souls. And if you use my code Ronda30 or ONDA30, that will save you 30% on your purchase. And I'll tell you, any time of the year, it could be great for 25 days of crystal magic. It's not about whether it's at a holiday time or in the middle of July. It's still a great gift. Happy crystal energy. Enjoy.